at your screen and welcome back to my channel. And because I am doing yet another review, I hope you guys are not mad at me. It's just like I'm all over the place when it comes to makeup. Like I love buying makeup and I love trying it for you guys. However, this particular review is pretty much requested by you guys and hence I'm really excited to share it with you. So I hope you guys are interested to know my thoughts about these products. Then please keep on watching. Let's go. Today I'll be reviewing two products from the Makeup Revolution line. First I'll be reviewing their Ultra Bronzer and then I'll be reviewing their Pro Illuminator. Now before we get started with the demo and everything, let me start off by telling you how the packaging is. So let's start with the bronzer. So this is how the bronzer looks like. Yes, let's take a moment, appreciate, breathe, pause. Let's come back. Yes, because this size is huge. This stuff is literally bigger than my hand as well. Like it is insane. And in terms of packaging wise, even though you don't have a mirror, it is not a very flimsy packaging. It's actually very tight. I wouldn't say it's the most luxurious packing because hey, it's a drugstore. It's like there's nothing I want to complain about the packaging. I think the only problem you might have while traveling is the size. It can bother you. It can be a plus point, negative point, like it depends. Personally, I loved taking this along with me, especially if you're like the only one carrying makeup for all your friends. This is the thing to go. And in terms of shade, this is the only single shade they have. Now in terms of price point, this is priced at ₹1,000 and you get 15 grams of product, which if you ask me, I am not mad because the quantity sees it all for me. Now again, it's not always about the quantity, so we'll get back to the quality aspect of this, but yeah, overall in terms of the price point, I really like it. However, if you want to know from where I got it, I got mine from Beautifuls in Andheri. I got this for 25% off, so I got this for roughly 750 rupees, and again you can find this on Nykaa and Amazon as well. So yeah, that is all about the bronzer. So now it's time to talk about highlighters and let's talk about the glow. Now in terms of size comparison, they are both 15 grams and same size, literally the same exact size. However, in terms of price wise, this is priced at ₹850. Again, I got mine for 25% off. So I think I got it for like 650 or something. It was like a total steal. The packaging of this, I think it's made up of good plastic. It's absolutely not flimsy. I wish there was a mirror, but hey, that's okay, life happens, so we can move on. So yeah, that is all about the packaging aspect and the quantity and MRP and all that fun stuff. Now let's move on to real business. Let's see the demo and then I'm going to give you my final thoughts. So let's go. First I'm going to start with my bronzer because I don't want my highlighter to get mixed with my bronzer, hence I'm going to start with this. And I'm going to use an angular brush along with this because A, it's very easy to find, and B, I think it's very user friendly, especially if you're a beginner. As you can see, the brush is pretty clean. I'm just going to swirl in and look at the pigment. Like yes, that is how pigmented this is. At the same time, it is a little powdery but not in a bad way. So once I have the product on my brush, I'm just going to place it near my ear, and so this is just my placement, and now whatever is on the brush, I'm going to blend it. And again, as you can see, I'm blending my bronzer a little higher and not going down. That is one thing to remember. Always make sure that your bronzer is blended upwards then downwards. I'm also using the same thing as a blush, and again I'm going to go on my forehead, giving it a good blendy blendy blend. Blend, blend, blend. Blend is your friend. Blend, blend, blend. Blend is your friend. So always remember, a small tip I would like to give you in this bronzing video is that always go in the shape of 3. That is from the forehead to the cheekbones to this. So it's almost like 3. And because I'm using the bronzer as a blush, so I'm going to go on the apples of my cheeks as well. Again, I'm not going to cross this area because that is when I can look like a clown. Always remember to keep your blush in this distance. Now I'm going to use the highlighter and I'm going to first give you a swatch of this. So I'm going to swatch it right here. Yes. So clearly you can see it is pretty blinding. But I'm going to try and see if I can go with like a light hand with this. I'm going to barely touch my brush, tap off the excess, and so I have a glow, but as you can see, it is pretty subtle. Like I feel it is subtle. However, now let's try if we can build up this highlighter. Ooh, okay, okay. I see you. So yeah, anyways, now let's move on to the final review. let's go. So in terms of packaging wise, I definitely approve. Now in terms of the shade, I don't know what is it like, do they actually don't have any shades, or there's just one universal shade in India that is launched. I don't know what the deal is, but currently in the Indian market and also on Nykaa, you can just find one single shade which is pretty universal. Now with that being said, I have to say that the shade is really great, especially if you're someone from the Indian skin, that is. So by Indian skin tone, I mean that even if you have lighter skin, you will obviously have more of yellow undertones, and obviously then we have the OG tan to medium caramel skin tones as well. For all of these above mentioned, I feel it's a great bronzer. And the best part is, if you are from the lighter medium skin tone, you can also use this as a contour, and that is because this shade in particular, it is more of a neutral skin tone. In spite of being neutral, if I have to judge it between the category of being cool tone and warm tone, I will put this definitely in the warm tone section, because it definitely has that warmth in it, but it is in no way shape or form orange, because I personally hate orange bronzers. Even though that's like a thing with bronzers, I hate it. I like my bronzers to be either brown or like ashy brown, but not grayish brown, you know what I mean. So it's a very thin line, and I think this fits perfectly in that. You can use this product for contouring as well as bronzing. So yeah, these are two different things, and you can totally do that with this product. Now in terms of formula, I really enjoy this formula. Now when I touch this, I wouldn't say this is the most soft feeling powder I have ever touched. No, I have tried some better powders, but I have to say that the price that you pay for it and the way this works, it is absolutely freaking good. Almost very close to being smooth and being perfect. Really good in terms of formula and texture. However, with all that being said, this is a little powdery. Now when I say powdery, I don't mean it in the most negative form. Like, I'm not saying it is chalky, because trust me, it is absolutely not at all chalky. It's powdery in the sense where it is really easy to blend, and it is very much finely milled. I really like. And in terms of coverage, it has a really good coverage. Like you saw, I just swirled my brush once, like freaking once, and I contoured my half face, and I was so much good to go. So yeah, in terms of pigmentation, it is bang on. In terms of blendability, I really like. So overall, I will definitely give this product a big thumbs up. And the price that you pay, the quantity that you get, the product that you have in, it's everything bang on. And I would highly recommend this product if you are a college going kid, because I know you always want a product that works bang on, that lasts maybe forever, if that's even a thing, and at the same time is very blendable, makes our life easy. And I think this is the answer to all our freaking prayers, if you did any, that is. With all that being said, I also have to say that this pictures beautifully. I have clicked pictures with this, and it doesn't look harsh, cakey, grey, ashy, nothing. It literally looks like the shadow of my own skin. Because sometimes even bronzers can look terrible in pictures, and that can make you all the way look more terrible. Now let's move on to the highlighter, and this is how the freaking highlighter looks like. Now in terms of texture wise, is this the most smoothest highlighter I've ever touched? No. But does that make this bad? No. Honestly, sometimes I feel it's maybe because of the texture that I don't feel it as smooth as it is actually. Now, maybe that could be the case, but hey, it is really very close to being perfect. Now, in terms of how long this highlighter and the bronzer actually lasts on my face for a good 8 to 12 hours, I would say 12 hours is where I will start seeing the highlighter fading. And however, with all of this being said, these products are not waterproof, but they are definitely water resistant. Even if you sweat, if you blot your sweat and oil in a correct manner, it will stay on your face, and that is something I really appreciate. I will say this is one of those highlighters which is very buildable, which I personally adore and I highly recommend. Because honestly, I always think about makeup as like a college going kid perspective, and I'm not here to collect makeup. I'm just here to look pretty and just feel fancy whenever I want to by putting on some highlighter. And I want something that is pretty blendable, that is very much, you know, versatile, and I definitely feel this product is really versatile. As you saw, with one go you get that natural dewy look. With a good heavy layer, you get like a boom, bam, Instagram ready kind of look, which I really like, and I don't see anybody complaining about this. And the best part about this is that it has got no shimmer. Like, it has got absolutely no shimmer. Like, I'm like zooming in and there is absolutely no shimmer. In terms of how I would describe this highlighter, I would say it is very pearl finish, satiny finish highlighter. It has got beautiful golden reflex to it with a hint of skin color going on. Like, I don't know how to explain, but it's very much skin color type. I highly appreciate it's not one of your white highlighters with gold reflex. Most asked question is, will it accentuate my texture on the skin? Will it make my skin more hairy looking or show everything that is every pore and texture and bump on my face? Honestly, with this and with this, it won't. Like, trust me, it won't. Even though if you have a lot of texture and your skin is not very even, especially in the highlighting area, it will still make it look flawless. It will still make it look like your skin. It will give you a smoothing effect. It will absolutely not accentuate your pores, texture, bumps, any of that. And yeah, usually I do shave my face. If you want to know how I do that, I have done a detailed video. I'll leave it somewhere here so you can have a look at it. I don't know why should I hate something which comes in this amazing price, this amazing quantity. And so, well, yeah, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. That would really mean a lot to me. And also please don't forget to hit that subscribe button right below, and also don't forget to hit that bell notification. And yeah, I will see you guys in my very next video, and bye.